Good evening. My name is Charles Kirk. I'm your current justice on the Ninth Court of Appeals, one of four, that's situated in Beaumont. We are an appellate court that covers all of the trial courts, all the appeals from the trial courts in 10 counties, including McGomery County. Not a whole lot of people out in the public know what we do over there, but what we do is we hear appeals from the state courts to ensure that the trials that you receive in these counties are in accordance with Texas law. And I came here tonight just to thank you for electing me to this position back in 2004. It's probably one of the toughest jobs I've ever held, but I wake up every morning literally excited to go about the work of the court. And I want to thank you for that privilege to represent you on this court. I want to thank the concerned citizens of Montgomery County. When I first tried to run for County Court 4 many years ago, they taught me a lot about what public service is all about, and I saw the importance of becoming involved in your community. And I want you to know that I maintain a strong conservative judicial philosophy, and I try to ensure that each of the opinions that we write, all of our opinions come out of the court are written. I try to ensure that each of those reflect those principles and values that we hold near and dear in our community for the release from our court. The Ninth Court of Appeals is probably one of the heaviest caseloads of the appellate courts across the state of Texas, but I'm proud to say that since we have taken over this court with Republican judges, now there are all four Republican judges on this court, we've become one of the least diverse courts of appeals in the state of Texas, and a lot of that is to your credit, too. I appreciate that. I was asked when I was running for this, what can a strong conservative judicial philosophy make a difference on the Court of Appeals? And I want to let you know that I have, in my short 5 years in the court, already presided over more than 550 cases. And because of the way we handle decisions in our court, I've had input in over 2,000 decisions already from this court in the short time that I've been on the court. So it's very important that you educate yourselves on those who you send to our courts, our judicial candidates that follow tonight. I applaud you for coming here tonight to educate yourself on their stance, because judges are very powerful people in our society. They have, with the stroke of a pen, they can take away your property. They can take away your money. They can take away your kids. They can take away your freedom. And in certain cases, they can even take away your life. So it's very important that you take the time to educate yourself on the people that you vote into these positions. One of the things I'm most proud of when I ran for this position back in 2004 is I committed to be not only an effective judge on the bench for you, but I also wanted to be an effective community member. And I'm proud to say that I've done that. One of my favorite things to do is I take whole days and I go to the area high school and I teach senior government classes. And I give them a history lesson on the Texas court system, as well as the importance of voting. Not just voting in the election that I'm involved in, but voting in every election that comes up that you're eligible to vote in, and to educate yourself on the issues that are on the ballot. But I won't take any more time. I appreciate it. I want to let you know that I really do appreciate the opportunity to serve you on this court. I hope through my enthusiasm, through my hard work on this court, I've earned your confidence and approval to return for another term. Thank you very much.